Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn reading an image in OpenCV using Python. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we go with the Python. So let's open the code base. Okay. So what we are trying to reading an image in OpenCV. So here I'm going to read an image. Let's have a look how it works. Okay, let's comment the previous code and let's go with this one, and let's uncomment the code. So basically we have to go with the CV. Okay, so if you don't know, let's have a look of that one, OpenCV. So just OpenCV Python you have to mention. Okay, and here we go with the OpenCV Python, right? The most popular package for the camera part, right? So we have to install this. So let's see what's the issue that it's throwing. So Python 3, which file we have added the code, that is app.py. So app.py, enter import cv2 module not found. So we have to install this package. So let's copy and install this. Okay, and here we go with the installation. And let's add the image over here if the image is there. So let's add this image to that one because we are trying to reading the image, right? Just rename this image. In the meanwhile, retrieves collection in Shopify REST API. Okay, and yeah, rename it. Okay, I think it is done. Yeah, it's done. Okay, so let's go and read the code. So read this image. So I have to go with the image part. So here I'm going to go with this, and here we have the uploads also, and here I have just add the file that is retrieves collection rest.png. Okay, this file I'm going to read, right? So let's save this image, read color, check if the image was loaded successfully or not. So if not, then it will give me the error that the unload to load the image, display the image. So how to display the image? With imshow. So cv2.imshow is a function that will help you display the image, and wait for the key press and then close the window. So we are waiting for the key, then it will destroy all the windows, right? Okay, and let's try to open the Python code from here. Okay, so this here you can see original image, it's showing, and let's mic zoom out, zoom. So let's make it a smaller one. So here just because here you can see that the zoom part is too much. So here you can see that we have successfully show the display the image or read the image. Here you can see that here we have the copy the image. Here you can save the image. Here zoom out, or of control minus if we do control plus plus is there, and here we go with which one, plus minus, control plus minus, but still it's not. But here you can see that we are able to read the image, right? I'm trying to just close this, but okay, this is that one, right? The full part of that one. Okay, now here I'm going to close this. Okay, and it's closed, right? So this is how we are able to read the image and display the image. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video, what I'm trying to teach you, like how to capture an image from the webcam in the Python. So now I'm going to capture an image when the webcam is open in the Python, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.